We are here at Universal Studios Hollywood for our first Halloween Horror Nights construction update. It's been a little bit of time. I've been posting them mostly on Twitter and Instagram. This will be the first video, so let's get right into it. We had our first house announcement with A Quiet Place, and here's the trailer for that.
Warning, unusual audiovisual activity in your area.
If they hear you, they hunt you. A Quiet Place. Only at Universal Halloween Horror Nights, where horror lives.
With A Quiet Place, I will be showing you where it will be located at Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood, and you will be stepping into the Abbott's Shelter Farm and also the root cellar where the mom, I can't remember the name right now, gives birth while a monster is hunting her. So that's gonna be terrifying. So here is the A Quiet Place shirt. It's not textured or anything, just a flat print, which isn't bad. You have the Halloween Horror Nights logo on the sleeve. On the back, it just says, rule number 1, don't make a sound. Then we have a heat reactive mug. Same thing as the shirt. So this location right here, which was home previously to the Walking Dead attraction, to Universal Horror Hotel, and Evil Dead Rise, will be the home of A Quiet Place. This is the UBE location. And clearly we won't be able to see anything going on inside because it's all inside that building, but that is okay. I am super excited to see how they present this house for A Quiet Place. So our second stop is over at the Parisian Courtyard. This facade is huge. The Spanish mazes that we've had with Monstros and La Llorona, El Cucuy, they've all been very popular, but I have no idea what this could be. It looks like a giant castle, or maybe it's a Spanish like cemetery entrance. I just don't know, but we're gonna go around to the front now, and again, it's just massive. You could see little light fixtures set up in the front of the facade on the right, and it looks like 2 windows on either side of the archways, and that is, or archway, and that is a giant archway. I'm super excited to see what this could be. It looks like a giant castle. and then we end the facade look on the left side. There is a light fixture on that left side, but any ideas, comment down below. And then over by Despicable Me, Super Silly Funland, we could see maze work going up. It's all going vertical, and this is over by Secret Life of Pets. You can see the sign that they are getting ready and dressing for Halloween Horror Nights, but the walls are going up. They look huge, and I am super excited to see what it could be. Then we head over to H1, and no work has really been done on this facade for quite a bit of time. Still plain. And then for H2, yeah, this facade is looking a lot like Insidious, and if it's not Insidious, I will definitely be shocked. Then we head over to Teapad, and this facade is very interesting. It kind of looks like a warehouse or a slaughterhouse, maybe something with a blank house. I don't know what, but there is detailing being added besides the brickwork, so we will get a closer look in just a moment. And now we are on the studio tour. We're going around the Teapad house. Little opening right there, but couldn't see much. And now we are heading over to the facade. And very square, but you could see the two circular vents in the pipe. So that's what makes it kind of look like a warehouse, or maybe even a slaughterhouse. Who knows? We won't know until Universal announces it. Then we head over to the Mummy Queue where this guy is working right in front of me. It looks like a blown out hole in a wall or a tunnel or a vault. I have no idea. It looks very interesting. I wonder what that kiosk is for. And then we head over to the front where we get a better look of the two blown out holes in the kiosk. I don't know what it could be. It could be anything. Alright, so that's going to do it for us here at Universal Studios Hollywood. There is a lot of Halloween Horror Nights construction. We have a Quiet Place merchandise. Parisian Courtyard is kind of looking like a castle or a Spanish cemetery entry or entrance. Mummy Queue looks like a blown out like hole for like a fallout shelter or a tunnel. Teapad is looking like a warehouse or a slaughterhouse maybe even. And then H-Lot is looking like Insidious. It's looking like Insidious, but we won't know anything until it's announced. So with that, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.